Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge.
Vowels. Vowels mean harufe illat. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. Circle the first vowel letter. Apple. First vowel letter is A. Ant. A. Axe. A. इसे आंट भी पढ़ते हैं और आक्स भी पढ़ा जाता है. We also can pronounce it ant and axe. Egg. Elephant. Aeroplane. These are first vowel letters. First A, in second row E, in third row it will be I. Igloo. I is vowel letter. Iguana. It is a kind of lizard. Eyes. Now it's O. First O vowel letter. Owl. O. Onion. Pyaz. Orange. Now the last one is U. U. Urn. Urn mean एक गुलदान होता है. Umbrella. Umbrella. Umpire. Circle the middle vowel letters. Circle the vowel letters that are in middle. Tub. Mop. Tub. Now these are randomly. Mop. Mop is used for cleaning. Pan. Mat. Pin. Eye. Nib. I. Web. E. Thought. O. Hop. O. Hop mean uchilna. The rabbit is hopping. Rub. Man. These are vowel letters in middle. Now this is the page and there are 5 vowels in 5 different blocks. A, E, I, O, U, and these are words randomly. We have to choose all these words and place them in their correct vowel block. It's a box. It is O vowel. So write it in O vowel sound. Box. Hen. Hen, hen. So it is E vowel here. Write it in E block. Hen. Bag. It is A vowel in center. Write it in A block. B, A, G. Bus. U. S. Bus. Knot. N-O-T. Knot. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Bin. I. Sun. U. Sun. Tan. T-A-N. Tan. Tan color. Samla. Mug. U. E. Add. A. Tin. I vowel is here, so write it here. Tin. 6. I. S-I-X. 6. Net. N-E-T. Net. So in this way we have completed these blocks. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. There are A vowel in the middle. Tan. Sad. E. Hen. Bed. Net. E vowel in the middle. Bin. Tin. 6. I vowel in the middle. Box. Knot. Dog. O vowel in the middle. Bus. Sun. mug. U vowel is in the middle. Write the same vowel words. A. A vowel E. So first is cat, next mat, mat. Middle there is A vowel. Hat, net, wet, pet. Wet means gila. I vowel. The words that have I in the middle. Big, fig, hit. Fig mean injure. O. The vowel is O. Dot, fox, rod. The vowel is U. Sun, bug, mug. bug, bug, mug. Write the words in the word bank under the matching vowel A, E, I, O, U. So here we have to write from this word bank. Cat, man. Vowel A, we have to write it cat, man. Get, den. So here is vowel E, vowel I, big, bib, pig. Pot, rod. Pot, pot, rod, rod. Vowel, vowel U, mud, dug, mud, dug. And we have to write all the vowel words from the word bank here.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.